Morning guys, Jim at Donley Ford here in Mount Vernon. Want to show you a 2022 Ford Ecosport. This thing only has 5,500 miles on it. My point in this whole car is that you can get 2022 5,500 miles, almost a brand new car, for just over 20 grand. I challenge you to find a brand new car for 20 grand. Moonroof, heated seats, backup camera, navigation. Shorter wheelbase. I should have moved that seat. Again, I'm about 6'4", so you probably would have more room up there than I do. It is a 4-wheel drive. You don't have to reach real high to do the hatch. This one opens a little bit from the side. It does have backup sensors. I think I already said backup camera. Of course, good tires on it. Almost a brand new car for 20 grand, guys.